What's up guys, Show Off 3.4 here, bringing you another vlog. I know it's been like 3 weeks, and I'm sorry about that. You can tell my hair is cut, and the reason for that is because I had drill last weekend, and there's been like 2 or 3 videos that I've been trying to make, that I tried to make prior to the last one and before this one, but nothing ever worked. I tried to tear apart. As you can see, I have some parts off the red car there, and the red car is gone. We did not get rid of it. I actually kept it. I put it right back at Jay's house. Thanks to her family for letting me keep it there. But I tried to take a lot more stuff off and make a video out of that, but it just didn't work as well as we planned, so I didn't make a video out of that. And then the last meet of the year that I was hosting and then going to Mount Pleasant meet turned out to be a dud. Literally, like he was the only one who showed up. We cruised out there, and we got there about half hour late, 45 minutes late, and it was, people were leaving already. And it was pretty cold. So that's the reason I haven't made a video. I had stuff to make, and they turned out junk, and I didn't want to just have filler content and just upload for no reason. But today, I got off class, thankfully, and we are gonna go up to Andy's and start tearing, not tearing the motor apart, but we're gonna tear the whole entire front end apart. Because as you guys saw in the previous video, all I did was drop the entire front end. So it came with suspension, trans, cradle, you know, arms, spindles, CV shafts, exhaust, bracket, pinion. We're gonna take all that stuff. We're gonna see as much as we can get done. Cause we're gonna get up there around 7:30ish. So we gotta have a couple hours to do all that. But I at least wanna get as much stuff off as I can. Before I do that, I'm gonna clean the wheels on the truck because the pads are terrible for brake dust. Kind of crazy how just cleaning up the wheels can change the look of this truck so much. I see all these other newer trucks and a lot of Rams actually, and actually a lot of cars in general. It's kind of making me irritated how much people don't take care of their brake dust on their vehicle, especially when it's really bad on one. And this truck gets pretty bad when I have to clean them about every week, because I'm not going to be one of those guys that has yellow wheels in the back and like brown wheels in the front, and they're supposed to be silver because they take it through the car wash and they don't touch their wheels. I just grinds my gears. All right, enough about the truck. Let's work to restore that. Boys, didn't get rid of her. I still want to pull the radiator out, condenser, evaporator, all the AC lines, get the ECU out of there, bunch of stuff. She ain't going nowhere yet. Jalen's freezing.
Do not put that.
That's going in. It's literally going in the floor. This whole part right now is going into the video. Anyway, back to what I was gonna say. Here's what we're working on today. We're gonna try and get a lot of this crap off. All that, suspension, rack, suspension. For anybody that's looking to see what the side of the motor looks like, here's the front. Here's technically the right side, but the back side for us. Back. All right. I'm trying to find a nut to get the CV shaft off. That way I don't have to pull any of this crap off but like the sway bar link and the tie rod. and then just pull the CV shaft out. But I just took the caliper brackets off. This side's still at a caliper, that side is on my car as of now. Pretty much gonna pull all that stuff, the rack, the sway bar, and see what that leaves us with. And if I can get to like part of the Y pipe, which actually looks like I can. So I'll be able to probably take that off. And then I'll probably need like another, like an engine, like a cherry picker to pick the engine up next time. But just get a lot of this miscellaneous crap off will help process. All right, while she's working on that, I'm gonna go ahead and try and get these tie rod ends out. These cotter pins are going to be fun. They've been in there for forever. It was a pain getting that one out over there. I got it. Now I'm gonna work on this one. And it's the other side, so that's even better.
So I do that, the same thing on the other side? I'm so cold. I hate Michigan. So cold, sir. So cold.
This is my favorite part.
Being cold?
No, hitting stuff. I'm gonna be getting a new one of these. It's gonna be like that thick.
Zach said that we could get medium fries after this.
Here, you fatty. Alright, so I'm kind of like taking this all in to see like what you have to put on when, because of like the O2 sensor wires are like wrapped up in this rack and pinion, and then the sensor and all this stuff. It's kind of like, it's kind of all, I don't know if it really matters how it works or not, but, or how it's like placed, but I'm kind of taking it all in. All right, I guess let's take the rack off.
One more.
Yeah, let's see where this goes.
Oh, dang it.
Not looking like it. Nope. Well, if we don't get this off, we don't. All right. So I have the rack off, sway bar off. You saw me get everything else off. The last thing I'm gonna do tonight is just take the Y pipe off and then call it a night. Come back up here. Probably the next time I come up, I'm probably gonna buy an engine hoist, and I'm probably gonna try and pick this up, take the trans off and everything. That's the plan. But we're gonna try and get this Y pipe off right now. All right. Got this side off. Now I just gotta get this side and we should be good. All right, so I got the front off. Well, technically, yeah, I guess I got this side of the exhaust off. This side, the nut started stripping on me, and it's 10 o'clock, and all the kids are inside or in bed. So I'm not gonna cut this, but I'm gonna have to cut that bolt to get the Y pipe off. But that's all we gotta do, and then take the O2 sensors out. But I'm gonna wait to do that. So we're gonna wrap it up. Got the rack off. Got all the essentials off of here except for he's gonna get a socket at work to be able to get that CV shaft out. Sway bar off. Kind of just a little update on where the motor process is. All right, guys, it is now the next day. I'm gonna wrap this up here because I gotta go into class. But thanks you guys so much for watching. I am so excited I just want to keep going up there every day and work on this. The next time I probably go up there, I'm gonna have to get an engine stand so I can take the engine off and put it somewhere while I take the trans off and all the other extra crap. So I'm really excited to get this build going. Hope I can go up there soon again. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry again for the lack of uploads. I've been planning uploads to do before this one, it's just they didn't work out because things happened or whatnot. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.